Welcome back. Now, even as all eyes are on the CBI after the AIIMS panel submitted its medical report to the investigation agency, Republic has accessed exclusive details of a huge lapse, another one emerging on the part of the Mumbai police's probe. Sources are saying that the report has no drug test that was conducted on Sushant's viscera, which is a huge lapse on the part of the Mumbai Forensic Lab. For more on this, our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor is also joining us. So Aishwarya, this is yet another question mark of what really happened initially when the probe was first being conducted in Mumbai.
Well, what we are being clearly told that our sources within the CBI and also that the AIIMS report which has been submitted back to the CBI has mention of this. So this is the first breaking which is also coming out of the AIIMS report which has been submitted back to the CBI. It mentions and it raises questions, Shivani, on the Mumbai FSL's conduct. That why wasn't a drug test conducted on the viscera of Sushant Singh Rajput to identify, to ascertain whether drugs were consumed or induced onto Sushant Singh Rajput. Why? When there were very clear visible marks on his body, then why the drug test was not conducted on the corpse, on the body of Sushant Singh Rajput? Why no drug test on the viscera? And that is it, because CBI has also questioned, and also it has been questioned according to our sources medically also by the AIIMS team. And this is the first breaking which is coming out of that report which has been submitted by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences team back to CBI. And it raises questions because it's now CBI and AIIMS doctors both are raising questions onto the Mumbai FSL, which very clearly did not conduct a drug test.
So how does this really tie into the report that the AIIMS panel has submitted, Aishwarya? Because they have also reportedly said that the viscera sample was not properly preserved. 20% of the viscera sample was not properly preserved by the Mumbai hospital.
Went for a toss.
So were they able to properly investigate the viscera sample? Or has that been compromised?
Shivani, protocols have gone for a toss. The place, the location where the death, the murder of Sushant Singh Rajput took place, one of the